Well, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is the Crow 2119 coming at you another video game weekend. How the hell are you guys doing? I'm doing good myself. Today we are playing some zombies on Black Ops 2, and no, I do not have the map pack because I am poor as shit. So, joining me today is Birdman64, also known as Jake Bird from the TMGLE channel. Say hello, Bird.
Hello. Raven's a bitch to me.
Because his mom called him. I'm just kidding.
No! Don't tell people this. If I echo.
I'm licking your knee. Can you feel my tongue licking your knee, Bird?
That's off.
Do you feel it?
No.
It's so slimy.
Shut up.
Alright. Haven't played this map in a long time.
Front door. You're just a Raven. I said shut the front door.
You are gay! I'm just kidding.
You're a bitch. Bitch. Dirty son of a bitch.
I am a dirty son of a bitch. She's gonna watch this.
I don't give a fuck. He laughed at me when my mom called me gay. That's bullshit.
What do you think she's gonna do? Come over to your mom's house and say, Jake is not gay. Oh, and by the way, remember when you told me not to tell people that? You just did by yourself.
Fuck me. Fuck my life.
You told me not to say anything, and you said it by yourself.
Stupid. I'm fucking stupid as hell. And fuck. So if some of you YouTubers know where I live, don't fucking come to my house or else I'm hurting you. Just don't fucking come to my house. I will fucking murder your asses. Thank you. Come on, zombies. Bring it.
I'm gonna go on a knifing spree.
No, I was gonna take that kill. No, no more kills for you. Nah. Damn it.
I get all the kills.
Kill more.
You're a whore.
That's sweet.
What?
That's what I got.
Ray gun?
Yepers. On my very first time. That's pretty sick, if you ask me.
Guarantee I'm gonna be the one to save you. Turn my volume up on my equipment. Here we go. Ow! I love this M19.
I love you, Ray Gun.
Give me something, box. Alright, that's good. Hello, zombie. Goodbye, zombie. bird.
What?
Tasty. Like your mother's. I'm just kidding. Why? It's not pedophile. Why? Why? Why?
Shut up.
You gotta break.
Fucking know why.
You gotta break her in.
Shut up.
Just let me break her in.
No, shut up.
Why?
Hey!
Why?
Stole my kill.
I stole your.
Little fucker.
I stole your kills. You have to break her in, bro.
No, shut the hell up.
No, you have to break her in. Just let this happen.
Shut up.
Why won't you just accept this? It's inevitable. It's inevitable. What the fuck don't you understand about the word inevitable?
Inevitable. 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 Shut up.
No, because it's true. It's inevitable and you know it.
It's inevitable.
Oh, I got the hammer, bitch! Oh no.
What?
Are you
Revive me? Are you fucking kidding me?
fucking controller just keeps dying. That sucked.
Damn it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this very fucked up game. Alright, see ya.